Hello and welcome to our video on comparing data using different measures of the average. Now the average is actually in 4 different measures that we look at. One is the range, it's the biggest, take with the smallest. One is the mean, which is where you add them all up and divide by what you've got. Another one is the median, where you put all the numbers in order and find the middle value. And also the mode, which is the most popular. So to start with, we're going to look at this question. It says Lowell distribution was concerned about the absenteeism of staff. So they put in some measures. The following shows the number of days absent over a 6-month period before and after the measures. If you notice that there's 20 sets of data before the measures and there's only 15 for after. Is it 12 for after? 12 for after. Okay, so what we do now is we look at this data very carefully and we assess the things like the range. Now before we look at the range, we look at this and we've got the highest value here, I think is 18, and the lowest is 0. So our range is 18. Afterwards, the range, well, our top number is 10 and our lowest is 1. So our range has gone down from 18 to 1. If we scroll down the page a little bit further, we will also see that we've got some other things happening as well. Our mode, our most popular. If I look through this list here and I look through on the first one, well, I've got 1, 2, 3 zeros before. I wonder if that's the highest. With 12, I've got 1, 2. With 7, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. And I can't see any more that are bigger than that. So our mode before is 7. And if I look at the data for after, I've got 2 7s and I've got 3 4s. So I've got more 4s in my data afterwards. So if I look at that very carefully, I think, well, okay, my mode, the most popular is 4. So my mode has gone down from 7 to 4. Now it comes to calculating the median. We need to list all our numbers in order. Now, I've done this for you already because it would take a while to do. So I've listed all the numbers and I've checked that I've got all of them there. So I'd list them all in order. 1, and I check that I've got the 20 that I need. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I've got my 20 values. They're going from 18 to 0. And I would take my, I would cancel them off again, like I did in the, if you saw in the video with comparing, finding the median. And I would match up pairs until I get to the middle 2 values. So keep going, 12 matched with 3. 3 with 12, 10 with 6, 6 with 8, 7 with 7, and I'm left with 2 7s in the middle. So really I should add the 2 up, so that'd be 14 divided by 2, and of course the median in this case is 7. With the other set of data, do exactly the same, pair them up, 1 and 10, 2 and 9, 2 and 8, 7 with 3, 7 with 4, and I've got 2 4s in the middle. We can add those up. It'll be 8 divided by 2, and of course it'll be 4. So my median has gone down from 7 to 4. It looks as though these measures have made a difference, haven't they? For the mean, I would add all the numbers up. So I've got 20 numbers. I've added them all together. You can use a calculator or you could do it manually. It's up to you. Using a calculator, just make sure you check that you put all the figures in correctly. And I've ended up with 144. And then I divide that by the total number that I had in my list, and it was 20. So I'm dividing 144 by 20 to find my mean, which in this case is 7.2. So the mean number of days absent in the 6 months was 7.2. What about after? What can we say about after? Well, we add all these up again as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 numbers, it comes to 61. So to calculate our mean, we're going to do 61 divided by 12. And we're going to come up with our new mean. So we just put that in the calculator quickly. We come up with 61 divided by 12, which equals 5.8. Sorry, 5. And I was writing the wrong number in here. 5.08, and it's 3 after that. So we're going to just round it to the nearest 2 numbers, 5.08. And then we can conclude that before it was 7.2, now it's 5.08. So if we look at all the data, we find the mean has gone down from 7.2 to 5.8. So it looks as though with the mean, it's made a difference. The median has gone down from 7 to 4, so it looks as though that's made a difference. The mode has also gone from 7 to 4, and our range has gone from 18 to 9. So using the different bits of data there, we're able to compare the results before and after some measures have been put in place. So we could conclude from this that whatever they've done, whatever measures they've done to solve absenteeism, something has changed. So thank you for watching this video. I hope that helps with using different measures of the average to compare data. Thank you for watching. Now have a look at the questions that we've put with this to help you to prepare for your exam. Thank you.